That's
Tell me
also the
what you
sound of
think.
thunder. This could be it could be a brief one because we could be all dead in a matter.
You're expecting bad weather
Yeah,
today.
there's some bad weather. I
I
hear that.
do not need any more bad weather. I've seen it. I
Yeah.
don't like it. But yeah, we'll get through as far as we can. I mean, mid-sentence, if we have to dash for the door, that'll be fine too. So I'm okay.
It's good to go down with a ship. There are worse ways to go.
I'm getting out of here myself. I'm not
Yeah.
the ship. See you later, ship. I'll get another ship.